Hi, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I have a few pretty cool videos in store, kind of revamping my channel a little bit, kind of focusing a little bit more on just different topics geared towards nursing, manifesting, luxury. I mean, my channel, I don't really have a niche. I just talk about what touches me. So I hope something that I talk about touches you. So today's video is going to be about what's in this box. And this is it's a manifestation box sent to me from my really good friend Mina. She owns a business called Melanin Eccentrics. I'll post her page in the description box. She also has a group called the Opulence Vibe Tribe. So lots of stuff to talk about this year, definitely. 2021's been a decent year for its first 10 days, 11 days. So I must say I just hope it's better than 2020. So this is the inside of the box. I'm gonna get it turned over. So these are the contents of the box. And this is the type of manifestation that I'll be participating in. So this is from Melanin Eccentrics and it smells delightful, y'all. It smells so good. It's the Fast Luck Lotto Casino mantra. So this pretty much tells you what to do, how to do it, and how to win big. She has several different types of boxes. She has like a Fix My Life box. She has a love box, and she also has this box and others. And she also left this nice note with my YouTube channel name, very personalized. And I love when I receive a box that has some type of letter in it personalized to me. That's always a #1 in my book. She also included the ancestral dollars that I can use on my altar for manifestation, which I thought was pretty cool. This is the money soap jackpot. I hope y'all can see that. I'm gonna take it out. My son isn't here, so I can take this out the bubble wrap because he'll be trying to fight me about the bubble wrap. Y'all, this smells so good, Jesus Christ. So yeah, money soap jackpot. And then, let me see, I'm trying to get a good, I think y'all can kind of see. There we go. Okay, there we go. And then she also sent the Fast Luck Suerte Rápida incense. So this is also included in the box. I cheated and sneak peeked in the box, but I really didn't look in the box. I just kind of was like, ooh, this is cute. So, okay. I'm a big person on smells and I love the way stuff smells. So this is a huge, oh, it smells so good. So this is in here. It looks like some ancestral money in rice that's colored, you know, green for money, represent money. This is also like bank powder. And good luck oil, buena suerte. Those that know me know that I love a lot of the Hispanic culture. I speak Spanish. I love El Dia de los Muertos. All those things that bring good luck that the Hispanic culture is really into. It's one of my favorite things. And I love the fact that this has buena suerte on it. Just me. I'm a lover of all cultures, but I do, you know, my culture comes first, but I also can indulge and respect other people's cultures as well. So I put this. This is a money spray. Girl, I'm gonna win $1 million when I go to the casino. All this good money. So this is an air freshener and deodorizer. Transforms you into a state of relaxation in one simple spray. And to be honest, just opening the box and the scents coming from the box are relaxing. I talk a lot about packaging. Packaging is a turn on for me when it comes to if I want to purchase from you again. And I love simple packaging. This is simple. It doesn't have to be all the bells and whistles, but I mean, my candles are protected. I don't have to worry about something being broken in the mail. Everything is packaged nice and neat. And she's also very open to questions. So if you have a question about anything, she's willing to go the extra mile to help you, so you'll know that you're manifesting correctly. This is a horseshoe candle, the Herradura. Y'all probably know this from tequila. And on the back, it has a prayer that you can recite while it's burning or before you burn it. I'm gonna put that back in there because I'll be the one to break it. And there's one more candle. This is the Lucky Lottery, La Suerte de la Loteria, and it has lotto numbers at the bottom, daily 3 numbers, 4 numbers, and 5 numbers. It doesn't have a smell, but it's real pretty and it's real green. Again, this is the Lucky Lottery candle, or La Suerte de la Loteria. So that was it for this box. I love it. Thank you very much, Mina, for the box. I cannot wait to set my altar because I have to find a spot because I have separate altars for separate things, and I gotta get my life together so I can get everything in its place. But this is a very nice box. Again, I will put a link to her Instagram page and also her Facebook link to the Opulence Vibe Tribe. And you can contact her for any of your manifestation needs. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.